Hello, my name is Eileen Shaw, and today I'm going to tell you about the game Addition Pizza Party 1 to 10. The purpose of this game is for young children to practice and recite the addition skills that they've learnt in class. The game is very simple and it asks students to use their mathematical skills to complete a pizza order of their choice, as there are 3 characters that the students can make pizzas for. I'm just going to show you what the game is now. Here, you're given 3 characters to pick from. So the student can pick either character. They go into the game. The game now asks them to complete an order. In this one, it asks for 4 peppers and 1 pepperoni slice. It says that, can they please complete an order of 5 toppings? And then the students must then figure out how many pepperoni slices and how many peppers that they have to include on the pizza. After that, they're required to ring the bell to put the pizza up for order, and it recites the mathematical addition question that they did up the front. This game would be appropriate for students that are in about year 1. However, it may be good for students that are struggling with addition, that are a bit older, but you wouldn't want to go too old because the game is very simple. But it is good for visual learners and students that need a little bit of extra help with their addition or anything like that. On the same point, it might be overly simple and boring for children in the class that understand or are advanced in their addition skills. As the game is quite simple, there's not much for them to do. If they already have the simple addition skills, then it's just going to be reciting it over and over again. The game does lack some depths in regards to advancing in levels. It just keeps going. You can just play it again and again, but you don't actually advance in the game. There's no real goal, and there's no engaging characters which you would want in a game for children that are in year 1 or 2. Because of this, the game is only slightly effective. There are some real world skills in regards to practical addition that children might use on a daily basis, with like food shopping and anything like that, just knowing how to count, but very basic addition skills. It really lacks many of the things that it needs to be an interesting game. It's not very engaging. For young children, it might take up their attention for a couple of minutes, but it would only really be used as a tool after they had done work. Because again, they're just reciting the skills that they already know and there's not much else to it. Overall, it is an alright game, but as a serious game, it does lack a lot of the things that you need, and it could only really be used as a tool to help the teacher, but not as an effective learning tool. Thank you.